What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech reviews, and this time we're going to be looking at my home iPad Pro setup with the monitor, Bluetooth speaker, gaming controller, keyboard and mouse combo, a wireless charging mouse pad, as well as the connectors that I'm using to make all this happen right here on the screen. So let's check it out. So to get all this up and running, I'm going to be using the Gearit Smart Hub. It's a hub that has about 8 different ports on it, or 7 different ports on it. And it's going to basically just plug into your iPad. So once I get it plugged in, once we have our HDMI connected, this is what we get on the screen right here. So we got a nice projection right there on our screen. And that's actually what is going to get us started. So next, over here to the right, you want to actually have a nice sturdy mouse pad, and this is one that I have right here. This is the actual Gaze Desk. It's by the company Gaze Lab. Now you're going to have a wireless charging mat over here, and your mouse pad is all of this over here. So it connects through a USB Type-C connector. All you do is lay your phone on there, lay your mouse on there, the light turns green, phone is charging, and there you go. Gives you the sound, lets you know that it is charging, it is doing its thing. And the keyboard mouse combo that I've chosen is this from Logitech right here. This is the Logitech MK470 Slim Combo. It comes with the keyboard as well as the mouse. And all you have to do is take your unifying receiver. And what you're gonna do now is plug that unifying receiver right in over here to a USB Type A port. We're going to look back at our screen, and now you have a mouse control right there on the screen. And if you need to type anything such as a document, you're going to click here, and right here on the screen you're going to just type in right there anything that you need, any work that you need. You can be productive as you want to, you can do whatever you need to do. You have a nice keyboard combo right here from the company Logitech that you're going to be able to use as a home laptop or home desktop setup. So since we have the video already up and running, now you want to worry about your sound. So the sound bar that I'm using right up under here, this is from the company Impal. This is the SoundHot B1. Now it has great sound, and I'm going to actually pair that with one of my favorite controllers. This is the 8-bit Do Lite. So in order to play video games on here, you're going to need a great Bluetooth controller, and this one is very slim, very compact. All you do is hold down the home button to turn it on. Once you get it on, you are good to go. I'm going to pick a game. And there we go. We get nice sound coming directly from here. Now we're connected through the HDMI, but I have a auxiliary jack in the back of that monitor going to this Bluetooth speaker. So it's a hardwired connection right now. And on this remote, you just actually hit the auxiliary button and the green light comes on and lets you know that you have your auxiliary sound going through. So got that set up, got my controller here, and what I'm gonna do is just give you a little bit of some gameplay, and you get to hear the sound. So this is Agent Intercept. Now you don't get a full screen view. That's how it's gonna look when you're playing the game. But this is pretty much it. So everything that you can do with the touch, you got all your controls right here. So controls work really well, and I've tested all this stuff out before, but just to re-emphasize, everything works good, everything looks good, there's no lag. Nothing whatsoever. Game handles really well, plays fluid, graphics look good. There are no complaints from me out of this. So there we go guys, we have productivity with our keyboard mouse combo. You actually have a gaming controller. You have your Apple iPad sitting right over here, the 11-inch Pro. You got your hub. You got the stand that it's standing on, which I forgot to mention. This is a stand from Supcase. This is the multi-angle stand that they have. I'm going to drop links below to all this. And then you actually have your sound, which is coming from the Impal Sound Hot B1. And then the mouse pad that we have over here. That mouse pad is a mouse pad and a wireless charger all in one from the company Gaze Lab. This is the Gaze Desk, and you can't really beat it. It's a nice little setup, something that you're going to be able to have when you come home. You just dock your iPad, you got everything up here. If you want to play a game, you can. You want to be productive, you can be productive. But it's a nice little setup for anybody to have in their office space. So like I said, I'll drop links below to all this stuff so you can go and check it out for yourself. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.